We've just received a sell signal indicating that this may be the top of Bitcoin, at least temporarily, before a much larger move down. Last time we got a strong sell and sell signal here, it resulted in similar moves, kind of sideways action before a massive drop to the downside. How's it going, everyone? Today is November 3rd, and Bitcoin just received a sell signal, and we're already seeing moves down in progress. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how far down I think it could go, plus a bullish scenario that could show this is actually a short squeeze. Let's check it out. Thanks so much for joining us in today's Bitcoin video. My name is Jake with Trade Confident LLC, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. And if you are new here, welcome to the channel. We're excited to trade with you. If you head down into the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access our membership right here for our 83-win, zero-loss trade call strategy, our daily crypto metrics that I'll show you in just a minute, and our $1 million profit account challenge with a brand new crypto video out today for our members. Members only content right here. It is extremely important that you watch this video. You can get access to our indicators for 60% off at the second link and join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Here we are on the tradeconfident.io website. I'm going to take you to the future forecast videos first. Today's video, Bitcoin to 180K to 200K before halving event, full study and evidence revealed. Travis is going to reveal this evidence. I think that's going to be an insane video. You need to watch this. He's going to show you some shocking data that says you better own some Bitcoin right now before the entire world finds out just how finite it is. This is extremely important information to know. Do not miss today's video. Now, this is available with a membership at the links in the description down below. With that, let's head into the Bitcoin metrics. Scrolling down to Bitcoin, the first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. This is a very unique reading. Pay attention here. Despite only a tiny move down in price, the emotional index has dropped significantly down into neutral territory. The lower this blue line is on the chart, the more and more bullish we get. So this is actually a very bullish reading at this point because the price has dropped so little. This tells us that the rebound that we see even after a sell signal could result in moves up pretty quickly here. Typically though, after a move into greedy or excited, this is where we're seeing price moves down. So this is really interesting and one of the first readings I've seen like this on Bitcoin. We'll have to see how this plays out as we move down to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We are expecting some major moves in the market right now. We are now within the breakout zone below this white line, and typically when this happens, right here, and right here, this is where you're seeing insane volatility in the market. And in fact, the last time this happened, this is where this massive pump was called, which brought us to where we are at today. Now, whether this is going to be a move up or a move down, we're not sure yet, but in order to check, we want to follow what whale money is doing. Using the whale smart money metric, we can tell that whales are more likely to be using short trades in this market. This is not a shock. Most often after massive pumps, whales will take their profit and then begin short trades to make money on the way back down. Whale short trade sentiment has diminished over time, but we did reach that -800 to -1,000 that we're typically looking for moves down to begin. So this is technically more bearish, but this is showing what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Whale money flow is still extremely high on Bitcoin and it is decreasing rapidly. Check it out right here. As long as whale money continues dropping out of the market, and it has plenty of room to do that, we can expect moves down in Bitcoin as well. I think if whales do begin moving money out of the market, this is going to drop very, very quickly. This is because we're seeing bearish divergence right here. Price versus whale money flow is trending downwards while the price itself is trending upwards, and trends cannot be supported without whale money. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so we need to pay very close attention. Once again, if it drops, we're going to see price moves down. If it moves up, we should see price moves back up. This is probably one of the most important metrics for today. There's a couple more to show you though. The next one is going to be the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. We have major structure support at $31,862. No resistances to speak of because we have just reached our all-time high for 2023 so far. Last but not least, and possibly the most important metric today overall, is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We've just received a sell signal indicating that this may be the top of Bitcoin, at least temporarily, before a much larger move down. Last time we got a strong sell and sell signal here, it resulted in similar moves, kind of sideways action before a massive drop to the downside. And I want to point out that this is actually the top of a huge trend line that we have once again rejected. I'll show you that more in depth on the live charts. It's going to be extremely important to see, so stay tuned for that. But if you want to stay updated on Bitcoin, it's crucial that you pay attention to these metrics. Our members get access to these Bitcoin metrics along with the metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Now, today's future forecast is members only content. You do not want to miss out on this. You can join us for exclusive actionable insight into the crypto market every Tuesday and Friday as we embark on our $1 million crypto challenge. Don't miss out on today's video that shows how Bitcoin could reach $180,000 to $200,000 before the halving event. Absolutely crazy. Get access to our trade setups where we're currently 83 wins, 0 losses with 7 active trades you can take right now, plus many more benefits at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the membership's going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. You're going to want to snag the full access for $59 a month, and do it quick because price increases are coming, and if you purchase now, you're going to be able to keep that crazy discounted price. Like I said, members get future forecast videos, all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every single month, metrics across 20 coins on our website, and on top of all this, they're going to get access to members-only indicator coupon codes up to $450 off. Go and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're going to head into the live charts. I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trades in favor indicators. Before we get into the major pattern we rejected, I want to show you how we have sell signal, price versus well money flow high. Trades in favor has dropped pretty significantly, but we did see trades in favor high back here. Typically, when you see this, sell signal, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, this is where you're seeing moves back down in price. I'm going to actually scroll out a little bit because this is important. Strong sell signal, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, massive moves down. In fact, let's see how much this actually dropped. From the first sell signal, from candle close all the way down to the bottom, was actually about a 17% drop. So we could be expecting pretty big moves down soon. With that, we're going to switch to the weekly time frame, and then I'm going to enable drawings again. What you're seeing right here is a rising wedge pattern with a structural resistance that we have respected since the very beginning of the uptrend in this bull market. Typically, after we reject this area, this is when we're then dropping back down to structure support of the rising wedge pattern. You can see it's happened multiple times from the very first touch, drop. Second touch, drop almost all the way there. Third touch, drop all the way down to that structure support before bouncing all the way back up. This tells me there is a possibility to drop all the way back down to this structure support again. And on the 1 week time frame, price versus well money flow has risen quite a bit, not quite topped out, but if we do see price versus well money flow high, we already have trades in favor high with a 90% chance of a drop. And if we see a sell signal, I think we can expect some pretty significant moves down. I mean, check it out. Sell signal, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, drop. Sell signal, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, drop. Over and over again. If we get a sell signal on Bitcoin on this candle, I think we can expect some pretty significant moves down. So pay attention to the weekly time frame, and especially pay attention to the 1 day time frame, because this is where we're more likely to see this drop. Now, if we scroll in here and get a closer look, you can see that there's also a symmetrical triangle pattern, a little tiny one that we are testing right this second. We need to break down through this in order to test our next structure support at $33,083. And if we break through that, that is where I'm looking for the break all the way down to that major structure support on the rising wedge pattern. So those are the two places we need to watch. And as that happens, we need to be watching whale money. If whale money is still high as we test the structure support, it's very likely we're going to break to the downside. Keep that in mind. As long as whale money continues dropping, we should see continued drops in price. Same with the trades in favor. And once we see price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low, and possibly a buy signal, that's where we're going to be looking for the next move back up in Bitcoin. Now, there is a possibility, a small one, of a break to the upside where we retest the major structural resistance and then break out again for a move up to $37,161. But just based on the current market data, based on the feeling of the market, I think drops are very possible. Plus, I almost forgot here, the breakout detector is actually in the breakout zone on the 1 day time frame. So big moves are coming. Back here, we saw a move into the breakout zone. We saw crazy moves to the upside. It's just so consistent. Now, there is a more bullish scenario. You're going to want to watch the future forecast video for that. Once again, that's members only content. But if you want to stay updated, the best you can do is actually to snag these indicators and pay attention to them on multiple time frames. The price versus well money flow is crucial. The TC top and bottom finder is crucial. And the trades in favor is crucial. The combination of these indicators is absolutely insane. And if you want to snag them, I can get them to you for up to $550 off. Check check it out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It's going to take you to the pro indicator page. The very first link is what you're looking for. This one right here. But don't forget, members get a massive $150 discount. This is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that coupon code and fill in your information. Click pay and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount when combined with the membership. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the future forecast videos.